Today we talk about how can you hide past experience on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just click in this sign here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you go down here, you just keep going down. Then you click here on account settings. When you click here on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open with you here. So it's going to take a time. Then you click here on visibility. So then you come to this list, click here on edit your public profile. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then you go down here and you come here to past experience. Just click in this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone. That's my past experience. It's here with us from now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.